Want to make your car safer? We're on episode 52 of our No Fluff Car Gear series, so we're skipping the overhyped, useless gimmicks to bring you 3 actually essential Amazon safety picks every driver should keep in their vehicle: a reliable dash cam, a compact car fire extinguisher, and the JOREST 300-piece Car Fuse Assortment Kit. All product links are pinned in the description below, so let's dive straight into what makes each one a must-have for safer drives. Ever come back to your car after running quick errands to find a random ding or scratch with no clue who did it? This compact dash cam, a top Amazon pick, captures crisp, wide-angle footage 24/7, even when your car is parked and off. You'll always have solid proof for insurance claims, no frustrating guesswork needed. Ever felt that jolt of panic when you smell burning wiring or spot a tiny spark under your hood mid-commute? This compact car fire extinguisher puts out small electrical and engine fires fast, stopping minor issues from spiraling into dangerous, costly messes. It tucks right into your glove box or door pocket, so it's always within arm's reach when you need it most. Ever had a blown car fuse leave you stranded on the side of the road with no quick fix in sight? This JOREST 300-piece Car Fuse Assortment Kit has every standard fuse size you'll need to swap out a blown one right on the spot. Stash it in your glove box so you never get stuck waiting for help over a tiny, easy fix. And that's it for today's gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more cool car accessories, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to check out any of the gadgets featured today, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.